Hello everyone, Jeff Mahina here from Oslo, Cebu, and 1K guider of MMM Global Community Philippines. And here I am once again to thank you all participants for my another successful GitHelp worth 94,500 pesos I requested last November 5, 2015. And this GitHelp comes from this is the breakdown of my GitHelp. 94,500 I requested last November 5. Comes from my leader bonus, 30% leader bonus, referral bonus, mostly leader bonus and 30% bonus, for a total amount of 94,500 pesos. And I would like to thank all the participants, especially these three who provide assistance to my GitHelp. This one 42,600, no name 25,000, no name, and Jimar 26,900 for a total of 94,500 pesos. So thank you participants, and special thanks to our founder Sir G. Mavrodi for his very amazing opportunity of providing help and getting help directly to each other. Long live MMM, and together we can change the world. Thank you.